Hi, so these are the snippets of my trip to my hometown last weekend. So sorry na for late editing. So ayan, sinundo ako ng sister ko and ng brother-in-law ko, and we had a stopover at Yaong sa Tagpuan and had this amazing breakfast along the way. So almusal ng mga puyaters. Ang sarap ng food dyan. So, actually, it's by Hacienda Escudero. So, andun lang din sa tapat. And, ayun na. Welcome to Cocolandia. And ang bahay namin, maraming puspin. Hello, Waka Waka. And, syempre, my mama's famous leche flan. O, diba? Makinis pa sa akin. This is my favorite. Ube. Fish ube. This is from Laguna. Ube talaga siya. And since bata ko, yan yung lagi kong hinahanap pag fiesta sa amin. Ube. Meanwhile, I cook some buttery shrimp. So, diba? For the video, isa-isang lalagay. Pero ang dami ng hipon, hindi rin naman kakayanin. So, yeah, I cooked buttery shrimp. So, butter, lots of garlic, then you saute the shrimp. Salt and pepper to taste afterwards. Put some hot sauce if you like. So, ganun lang. Ganun lang kadali. Iluto ang shrimp. And then you add more butter pala to make it more buttery. Parang ganun. Ayun. So, all the while na nag-video kami sa litan with Ates Platinum Video Kay. So, ganyan lang. Simple lang naman ang live namin. Just so happy to be home. I like to preserve these memories. Okay, kahit makalat ang bahay namin, kahit magulo kami makulit, kahit na half of my life na ata yung dati na nakawali. So, I'm making these videos para pag senior citizen kami ng kapatid ko, can watch all this and laugh about. So, yeah, this one is after namin manggaling sa Perez Park. So, ito yon yung shop kong stickers na nauna because right after I'm making reels on my 10th sticker onwards. So, hi ate! So, ito yon the first night. And we had a light snack and bye-bye. Busy na ako. I love you guys.